Start by locating and opening Acrobat DC and open the PDF that you want to remediate. Start with the Action Wizard and click on Make Accessible. Click on Start and go through each of the processes. To change the title, unclick Leave as Is. Make sure you go to Editable Text and Images. And this will recognize the text within the document. If you have fillable forms, choose this, otherwise skip it. Set the language. For figures, say OK and make sure you check. If there are figures you need to put alt text with, do that. And then start the full checker. Once it's checked, often you'll need to check the reading order. To do that, go ahead and close the accessible menu, go down to Accessibility, and click on Reading Order. Make sure you set headings and images with alt text. Close Reading Order when done, and don't forget to save.